Hey everyone, I was contacted by an online diecast retailer overseas called HMKT, and they said, we'll send you a car to review, pick yourself out something from the website for about 50 euros. So this is what I picked out. I wanted to find something that I thought was good value for money that I didn't have, and this is it. This is a Subaru XV. It's Impreza based. This is opening diecast by SunStar. The interesting thing is, I don't think it's really by SunStar. I think this is open market, like a Chinese dealership model that SunStar just bought the rights to. All the details kind of scream dealership model. You've got carpeting in the trunk. Everything opens, again, opening diecast. These have, either 2-liter, typically 2-liter boxer fours. A boxer four meaning the pistons kind of go opposed from each other, like a boxer throwing punches. About 165-ish horsepower, maybe 175 from memory. We don't have open mesh. This is kind of a reasonably priced model. The price on the website is 50 euros, which is actually quite reasonable. If you go on eBay, a lot of retailers are asking like $250 for this, and typically Chinese dealership models are at least $100, $150, so I think this is good value for money. Paint isn't perfect. Wheels are decent. And again, everything opens. All 4 doors. And again, you do have carpeting. Later, these were branded as the Subaru Crosstrek, but this is like 2 generations ago, like 2014-ish. So back then it was the Impreza XV. So again, pretty neat piece. You do have seat belts and buckles. You do have working suspension. So these are all the hallmarks of a decent diecast. At 50 euros, I'm not mad at this. Pretty nice piece overall. I am going to put a link in the description of where you can purchase it from the same website. Like I said, 50 euros I think is more than reasonable for opening diecast. This is the package. Nice colored enclosed box. You do get a crevice tool, which I always appreciate. I always kind of hoard these. So that's it for this week. Kind of a neat collaboration. I do appreciate it when retailers like this reach out to me. Sometimes people want to collaborate with me on things that have nothing to do with cars. But anyone who wants to collaborate with me on diecast and have me review something, just shoot me a message. So that's it for this week. Everyone, please like and subscribe, and have a good one.